you're looking for work, I suggest you get in here pronto.
Well, since we're gonna be working together, I reckon it's time we start drinking together.
Woo-wee! Yeah!
It's nobody's business but ours.
Kiss the bride.
Do you know somebody named Jack?
We was fishing buddies.
You know, it could be like this, just like this always.
This thing grabs hold of us in the wrong place, and we're dead.
You boys sure found a way to make the time pass up there.
You don't go up there to fish.
You don't know nothing about her.
You have no idea how bad it gets.
If you can't fix it, you gotta stand it.
I wish I knew how to quit you.